what advice you have for caregivers or family members of patients who are living with heart failure? What are some of the things you teach them, you tell them to do, to watch out for, to make sure they can take good care of the patients, but also not hurt themselves in the process of taking care of these patients?
There's hope. That's number one. I think we live in a great era that we can delay transition to advanced heart failure. We have great therapies. Taking care of yourself is equally important as you take care of your loved ones. Don't forget that. Taking a break is good because a lot of these patients are really dependent on you. So if you don't take care of yourself, then they will eventually suffer as well. I offer hope. That's what I offer all my patients, really. It is not going to be easy. Life is going to change, whether you like it or not. Those do the best that are ready mentally for change and adapt appropriately. It's about the journey, not the end. We want to continue to get up every morning and take care of ourselves and take the medicines and go to the doctor and then try to get three objectives. And that's really what I tell my patients. Number one is, of course, survival. You want to live, you want to have that company of your loved one. And then number two is improve symptoms. So you don't want to be symptomatic, not in pain. And number three is you want to be happy and try to find happiness and joy because every moment is a blessing that you have, whether it be you being the patient and you're having that opportunity to live with your family members, or you being the caregiver and you having that extra time with mom or dad or your brother or sister. Make the best of it and go on that vacation, go on that cruise, go out onto the parks, spend time, be happy, find
Yeah,
happiness,
yeah.
and meditate. As Muslims, we are told that it's going to be a test. But for those who are not Muslims or Christians and other brothers and sisters and all the folks that have different backgrounds, meditation is a great way of allowing to center yourself, and having a good team of doctors and nurses around you also is great.